Baker is now setting up for his first aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. Watch as Major Baker traces a vertical figure 8 over the demonstration area.
Victory is all you need, so contemplate and plant the seed. Hold your breath and count to 10, just count to 10.
Major Baker repositions his aircraft to demonstrate the low altitude, high speed capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he will be traveling just under the speed of sound at 650 miles per hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2.
Can't stay in one place.
As he returns to show center, Major Baker will accelerate rapidly and snap the F-16 to a series of aileron rolls, demonstrating its exceptional roll maneuverability, crossing up from the left, its rocket, and the triple roll.
Can't stay in one place. Keep moving like a bullet train.
In a dogfight, the ability to turn tight is crucial. Watch now as Major Baker shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he will bank sharply and accelerate to a tight turn, pressing into the seat with a force of 9 times his normal weight, or 9 Gs. In a turn, the Viper has a turn radius of less than 1,400 feet. Demonstrate the F-16's crisp handling characteristics. He will perform a 4-point roll at show center, pausing briefly at each 90-degree increment. Notice the precision at which these individual movements are executed. From the left, the F-16 and a 4-point roll. Full afterburn and accelerate his aircraft to a nearly vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust-weight ratio and a maneuver we commonly call the rocket launch. you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-16's full combat capability.